Hello student, today we will discuss exercise 6.5 question number 20, which is very important. In this question, we have given a cylinder, we have given a surface area of a cylinder and whose volume is maximum. We have to prove that h equal to 2r means height of cylinder is double of the radius of the base. Okay. Since surface area, that is total surface area of cylinder, equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. This is equation number second. From equation first, s minus 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r h. Means you have to convert one variable in respect of any other variable. Because I have to differentiate the volume of the cylinder, it is mandatory that it will be in the form of any one variable. So v equal to pi r square, in place of h I will put s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. After simplifying this, you will get sr upon 2 minus pi r cube. Now differentiating with respect to r, dv upon dr equal to s upon 2 minus 3 pi r square. d square v upon dr square equal to minus 6 pi r, which is less than 0. This indicates that the volume is maximum. Now, to find the critical point, let dv upon dr equal to 0, s upon 2 minus 3 pi r square equal to 0, s equal to 6 pi r square. Since we have to find out the relation between h and r, so I will put the value of s in equation number first. After putting in equation number first, I will get 6 pi r square equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi rh. After solving this, you will get h equal to 2r. Now come to the question number 22. In this question, I have a wire AV of length 28 centimeter. I have to divide this wire into two pieces. From one pieces you have to make a square, and from another pieces you have to make a circle, so that the combined area of square and circle is minimum, which is given in this question, right? Okay, let the length of the first piece of a given wire AB is x. So therefore the length of the second piece will be 28 minus x. Okay. From the first piece, let us suppose I am making a cylinder, making a square. So perimeter of the square, let the side of the square be A. So perimeter of the square, 4A equal to x, A equal to x upon 4 is the side of the square. Now the area of the square, A1 equal to A square equal to x upon 4 whole square. Since 2 pi r, circumference of a circle equal to 28 minus x, r equal to 28 minus x upon 2 pi, and area of a circle A2 equal to pi r square, pi into 28 minus x upon 2 pi whole square. After solving this, you will get 28 minus x whole square upon 4 pi. Now the combined area A equal to A1 plus A2. X square upon 16 plus 28 minus x whole square upon 2 pi. D upon dx equal to 22x upon 16 plus 2 upon 4 pi into 28 minus x into minus 1. Okay. Equal to 2x upon 16 minus 1 upon 2 pi into 28 minus x. Double differentiation d square a upon dx square is greater than 0, which so that the combined area is maximum. Let find out the critical point. dA upon dx equal to 0. 2x upon 16 minus 1 upon 2 pi, 28 minus x equal to 0. After solving this, you will get x equal to 112 upon 4 plus pi, which is the length of the first piece. Now find out the length of second piece, 28 minus x. 28 minus value of x is 112 upon 4 plus pi. After solving this, you will get pi upon 4 plus pi. Hence, length of the first piece is 112 upon 4 plus pi, and length of the second piece is 28 minus x equal to pi upon 4 plus pi. Now come to the question number 23. In question number 23, okay, we have given a sphere of radius capital R. We have to insert a cone of maximum volume inside in a cylinder, right? And we have to prove that volume of this cone is 8 upon 28 27 times of volume of the sphere, right? Okay, you have to understand this arrangement. Okay, capital R is given, which is the of radius of sphere, right? Small r is the radius of the base of the cone, right? Let OO dash is the x. Therefore, in right angle triangle, OO dash B equal to r square, that is r square equal to x square plus small r square. Okay, here the height of the cone is capital R plus x. Now the volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. H means capital R plus x. So by the help of the first equation, I will change one variable in respect of another variable. That is, I am changing small r in respect of x. 1 upon 3 pi r square minus x square into r plus x. Okay, you will multiply this. After multiplying, you will get this result. Now dv upon dx, after differentiating this, you will get this, and d square v upon dx square is less than 0, will show that this cone have a maximum volume. Now dv upon dx equal to 0. dv upon dx equal to 0. Let dv upon dx equal to 0 means this, right? This is a quadratic equation in respect of small x. You will factorize it by splitting midterms. You will get the result like that, and finally you will get x equal to r upon 3, x equal to minus r, which is not possible. Okay, from equation first, capital R square equal to x square plus r square, and you will get small r square equal to 8 r square upon 9, right? Okay. Now the volume of the cone 1 upon 3 pi r square r plus x equal to 1 upon 3 pi 8 in small r square equal to 8 in 8 upon 9 capital R square into r plus small x means capital R upon 3. After solving this, you will get 8 upon 28 27 times of volume of the sphere, right? Which is required solution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.